Hey there, Wanderlusters. Welcome back to Pro Insight. I'm your guide, and today we're embarking on an epic journey from the bustling streets of Dhaka to the pristine beaches of Phuket, all without breaking the bank. Now, I know what you're thinking. International travel? In this economy? But stick with me because I'm about to show you how to make this dream trip a reality, even on a tight budget. Let's start with the basics. Packing smart. You don't need a massive suitcase for this trip. A good backpack will do. Remember, the lighter you pack, the less you'll spend on baggage fees. A quick tip for you: roll your clothes instead of folding them. It saves space and reduces wrinkles. Win-win. Now let's talk flights. The key here is flexibility. Use flight comparison websites and be open to different dates. I scored a great deal by flying on a Tuesday instead of a weekend. Here a pro tip for you: clear your browser cookies or use incognito mode when searching for flights. Sometimes prices go up if you keep checking the same route. Once you're in Thailand, accommodation doesn't have to cost an arm and a leg. Hostels are your best friend here. Not only are they cheap, but they're also great for meeting fellow travelers. If hostels aren't your thing, look into guest houses or Airbnb. Just make sure to read reviews carefully before booking. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic: food. Thailand is a street food paradise. Not only is it delicious, but it's also incredibly cheap. From pad thai to mango sticky rice, you can eat like royalty without the royal price tag. Just remember to look for places where locals eat. That's where you'll find the best food at the best prices. Getting around in Thailand is easier and cheaper than you might think. Tuk-tuks are fun for short trips, but for longer journeys, consider overnight buses or trains. They're not only budget-friendly, but also save you a night's accommodation cost. Talk about killing two birds with one stone. Now, I know you're itching to hit those famous Thai beaches. The good news? Many of them are absolutely free. Skip the overpriced tourist traps and ask locals about hidden gems. You might just find your own slice of paradise. So there you have it, folks. A trip from Bangladesh to Thailand doesn't have to drain your savings. With these tips, you can have an incredible adventure without the luxury price tag. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more budget travel tips. And hey, drop a comment below with your own travel hacks. I'd love to hear them. Until next time, keep exploring and remember, adventure is priceless, but it doesn't have to be expensive.